How many communication channels are you using to talk to your dentists? Labs lose dentist accounts over missed messages. Not because they're not paying attention, but because messages are scattered across WhatsApp, email, SMS, so on and so forth. And that's how critical case updates fall through the cracks. This is EviSmart Comm. This is how labs unify case communication in under 10 minutes, without asking their dentists to change a single thing. So, let me show you how it works. The first step is to just log in using your phone number. Here we are, entered in my phone number, and then it'll send me a one-time password straight to my phone. Once you type that in, EviSmart Comm will take you straight to the landing page. Now, as you can see here, there's nothing on the page yet. So the next step is to just link it with your LMS account, right? So if we go over to the settings, click link account, you can see I can connect it right to my Evident LMS. And there you can see the account has been linked successfully. So if we go over to this case inbox here, you'll be able to see all of the practices that have been entered into your lab's LMS. And once a message is linked to a case, it lives in the case inbox, visible to every technician on your team. Every update, every channel, every case, all in one place. The next step is to just add your communication channels. So in the same settings tab, if we go over to this channels box, you can see we can connect WhatsApp, email, and SMS. From here, any messages coming in from any of those channels will land in one central inbox. So we'll connect my WhatsApp, and this is super easy. Once you click connect, it'll pull up a QR code, and you can scan that with your WhatsApp itself. So in your WhatsApp settings, you can just click link devices, link a device, and then scan the QR code that Comm shows you. It's pretty similar to just logging into your WhatsApp on a separate device. So, as you can see, my WhatsApp is now connected. The next step is to add the dentists and the clinics that you work with in your contacts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to this Whitelist tab under the settings box. Once you set these up, EviSmart Comm will recognize every time this dentist messages you from any channel. We'll click Add Contacts, and we'll start with Dr. John Smith from Eddie Smiles Practice. And for his phone number, we'll just use my own for the sake of demonstration. And you can add either the contact's email or phone number, depending on how they reach out to you the most frequently. So we can see that we've added this contact under the practice Eddie Smiles. And if you have multiple contacts you want to add at the same time, you can always click Import CSV, and it'll let you add an entire list of phone numbers and emails. So if we go back to the Channels tab and click View on our WhatsApp communication channel, we can already see I have a message from Dr. John Smith. So we can see the last message that Dr. John Smith sent to me was change shade A2 for John Doe's case. And you can see here on the right, we have an AI triage tab. What that means is any message with a case number or patient name gets linked to the right case automatically. As long as there's a unique identifier in the message, it will work. It shows up in the case record without anyone touching it. But sometimes you need to manually link it. Let's say a doctor just asks for a change in shade without attaching the patient's name or case number. Then what you can do is go over to your case inbox, and you can manually link the message to the specific case. So if we go to Dr. John Smith, we can see the message change shade A2 for Dr. John Doe's case, and we can assign it to this case. And we can save it to the technician notes for our patient here. And you'll see in our case inbox tab, you can also see the channel that this message came from. So WhatsApp. We can apply directly to Dr. John Smith here. Thanks for the heads up. And that'll send directly through WhatsApp as well. Now, you'll see above the last message here, there's a patient name and case number. If we click that case number, we can see everything. Receive date, due date, patient name, case type, technician notes, progress, even any attachments, any STLs, any photos, anything. A complete case history on one screen. And the next thing you can do is you can actually filter messages by patient as well. You can see that we have several patients that we can filter by. And what this does is it just makes it a lot easier for you to track down all of the information on every case that comes through the door. Here we can see we have STLs as well. You can download those directly. And now we have scans. And that's EviSmart Comm. It's a unified inbox for all your case communication, so you never miss a critical message. And your dentists stay informed, satisfied, and confident in your lab. If you want to learn more, check the description box below.